Hello, everybody. It's me, and then there's Sarah, because I'm sure she wants to join with me today. I have a puppy laying on me. But my dog, hey, Caramel, put your head up for a minute. Say hello. Look, say hello. Anyways, um, yesterday was Wednesday. I got confused, and I said Thursday, and I did Thoughtful Thursday. But so you have Thoughtful Thursday for Wednesday. But since I didn't do Wednesday, today I'm going to do um, Wednesday, which is animal and nature. So that's what I'm doing today. Sorry, puppy, put your head here like you were before. Good boy. Um, so I have, first of all, I have a Luna, and she has flowers on her hat, a heart, and the heart is also have um, some things around to make it like a flower. So I know you guys have seen it if you have watched my other video. So I put it on her today, since it's Nature and Animal Day. But she has butterflies on her. It's purple, her top. I don't know why it's showing blue here. It's purple. And yeah, so it has butterflies and stuff. And also her pants also has something. It has flowers all around, everywhere. It's very, very nature. She's just very much like in nature. And her socks have flowers on it too. There you go, or a flower on each sock. Oops. Whoa! She fell on me. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. There, on the sock, there's also a flower. I'm trying to lift the pants here. There you go. Right there. No, that's the pants. That's over it. Just a minute. I'll pull her pants up. Alright, there you go. I got it. See in there. She has a flower in her socks, so she has flowers everywhere. And then Yuri, she has butterflies on her hands, and she has some colors on her, like green could be like nature, and she has dots, and on the back it says love on the back of her shirt, and has a heart on it, and yeah. And Friday we're gonna do Fancy Friday for Saturday. No, we're gonna do Fancy Friday for Friday, but we're also gonna do words for Saturday, because Saturday we might not have the chance to do any videos because it's gonna be busy. Saturday is for us. We have a group get together, and so we meet up our friends there that can meet us, who lives all in Ottawa, and so we do that there, and and I know there's some people that are in our adult group that can't make it because they live distances away from us. So we still want to keep that going, so our friends feel included in our group, and so that's why we're doing it. And yeah, so I have Uriel dressed up and cute, and and I know you've seen her in these pants, but it's another pair of pants that I love on my dog. They're like bubbly, and I like that. Um, so yeah, there's Yuri, and here Yvonne, your favorite girl. She's all pretty, all dressed up, and she has shoes. I put shoes on her, which goes really well with what she's wearing, because the shoes have they're little hearts on it. I thought it was like circles, but it's little hearts. I don't know if I could show it. Yeah, that's little hearts. So yeah, that's what she's wearing today. And so if Sarah wants to show her little ones, I can't turn it even more than that. It's still in that chair, Sarah. Move that on the other one if you want. It's going to be a lot easier for you.
Yes. But not all of them has nature or animals. So her has all beautiful
This is the outfit I bought from China that I'm sure you've seen. And then I said it'll be too big for my dolls, because I checked the size. But it's perfect for Loriana, Sarah's doll, so I gave it to her. and it's really cute on her. And that there's a pink on these roses. They're all roses. So there's some pink on it, and perfect, perfect to go with the hat right here, and
Kitty cat hat.
kitty cat. And also these um, mustard pants have also a bow on them that matches with her shirt, and she is wearing white socks and little shoes, and it has a frill on it. Let's see if I can show it. Okay. Oh, it's hard with the light where it is, but it's on the front. I don't know if I can show it. Yeah, it's like a frilly thing right here. And also, the shoes she got was from a doll show. So they're cute. They're little white shoes.
That's my picture. This is my
Gowan,
Elizabeth.
Gowan and Elizabeth. Or they are. It's we are very open to the community of the LGBTQ group, and so we decided that, well, my friend decided, Sarah decided to have one that is has two genders, which is great. I have no problem with that. Anyways, other than, okay, so this one here has uh, flowers like and petals and leaves, not leaves, petals. And owls. There's an owl on this.
Oh,
Yep, right there is an owl.
oh, I didn't know that.
There's an owl right there on it.
So cute.
There's an owl right there.
Oh,
And there's an owl right here on the knee. Oh, you know, I'm owl crazy, so I like to look at owls and stuff. And then, yeah, I don't know if you can see it.
I didn't realize because I can't see well, so
Yeah.
small stuff. It's like
There's even an owl on the heart on her.
Yeah.
There's an
Cool.
owl in this heart too. If I can send it close, like this. See, the owl is right there. Yeah, there's an owl right there. And so he has kind of a teal green top, and he has also teal green on his pants. So it's a good match. And yeah, and it's also footed, which is very. I love footed stuff because this just makes the babies look more babyish, more like a baby. That's what I mean by baby. More like a baby, I mean. So and he or she or they are really cute. I always loved this sculpt. Um, I know not before when I saw it online because I think my friend got it
oh,
from
baby.
Paradise Gallery.
Yeah, and it's Cuddle Monkey.
Cuddle Monkey. Yeah, when I saw him, I'm like, you know. But when he came and I saw him, I was like, oh my gosh, he's cuter in person than you see on the computer. What I saw on the computer was not this cuteness. Even his hands are tiny and everything. Yeah. So and it's the problem is his feet are too small to put stuff on. You can't get shoes like it's creamy. Yeah. But he's such a cute baby. And it's such a cute sculpt. I love this one. Yeah.
I didn't even know there were owls.
Yeah, there's owls on it. And yeah, this top has hearts. I don't remember if I said it. Or their top has hearts. So yeah, very cute. And it has buttons and a frill in the front. Like see right here. It's
I didn't
so
know
cute.
there were snap buttons until I checked it and it, you can open this like a vest. Cool.
See, you're holding his arms, sir. Yeah.
Because he's like this.
I'm just saying.
Because
There's Evan, who used to be mine, but I'm happy I gave it to him to her. I think they're both very happy. So here's a little pot dog for the Wednesday theme, animal and nature. So yeah, he has like, and then he has some green socks, which makes me think of weeds and grass and stuff like that. Yeah, and then he has like these are pants actually that are elastic, and they look like jeans.
All the babies look so cute in those.
They do, yeah.
Like
He's not wearing the shorts that goes with this, but yeah. I know some of you online has this too.
Yeah.
I've seen it.
I still have the shorts. I brought them, but I said, you look so cute in these. The only thing is his socks.
Yeah, and so he has.
Spiky hair.
Well, it's not the theme of today. It was supposed to be the theme of yesterday.
Yeah, but even that, all I have is a turtle.
Yeah. It's okay. He's wearing like a nice dress shirt. It needs to be ironed, I think.
He needs a bit spiky hair. Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing a cleaning. Make sure that it stays nice. And he's wearing shorts. He's wearing a cute pair of shorts. Actually, I like them. They're very nice on him.
I thought that.
Yeah.
And 3-4 years ago, I didn't have those that fit them and them, so I put it away. And one day I was looking into myself and said, "Hey, that would fit Michael."
And yeah, it's a cute little turtles on the sock.
Yeah. That's the only.
That's okay. It's cute. It matched. It's perfect for that.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say, Sarah? Oh yeah, and I have a package I'll be opening. I don't know what's in it. So. Yeah.
For me, I always love nature, and I love animals. So it was a good thing to do it. And I have like a lot of different clothes for Loriana. This is my big baby. So a lot of people will end up with clothes that are very big. They say, "Hey, do you have a doll that can wear this?" Because I have bigger dolls than Loriana.
Yeah, that's right. Sorry, I gotta get scissors.
And old-fashioned dolls, ceramic dolls. So a lot of their outfits are old-fashioned. Yeah. I dress them up and I change their outfits sometimes. Yeah, I always lived in the country, so I've spent
we always love the country. We miss the country because we haven't been in the country in a long time.
Well, it's been.
Oh, I know what it is. It has nothing to do with baby or dolls or anything. This is my hair piece that I bought because I wanted to put her on my ponytail, and so yeah, that's what this is. For me. But hey, I'll open it anyways, and I can show it. See, it's just a black hairpiece. Yeah. So I can attach it to my.
Yeah, because sometimes you want to have long hair.
I can attach it to.
Yeah.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it has string.
Two big strings, yes.
Yeah. So there's a net on it. That's why I have to put the net on. But that's what I bought online.
And you forgot.
No, I didn't forget. I was waiting for it to come. I didn't know when it was going to come. I didn't forget. No. So like I could use this. I don't have to use the brush. Oh. Okay. Just want to see. There you go.
Yeah.
I should get my hair darkened though. Go with it.
Yeah, but
See?
Just to say, I miss the hair, the dark hair you used to have, and
yeah.
you know.
I have it on now.
And
All right.
got myself a little haircut.
Yeah.
I want to put some hair loose out of that.
Whoops, I dropped it.
Yeah,
Oh well.
okay, it's not far. It's not far.
I'd have to fix. I have to fix it up. I mean, yeah, 'cause it's not. I didn't put on my hair properly. First of all. Yeah.
I'm trying to find out.
Yeah. So, anyways, thank you for watching. We'll be on at some other point, but yeah, this is what I got today, and so we did our Wednesday theme, even though it's Thursday. All right. So, talk to you later. Bye for now.
Bye.